to see it once again. Well, this was the drive to the basket, and how about the footwork by Baltasar?
Opiso! Yes! Jason Opiso! With a putback!
Pampanga versus Quezon, NBBL Finals in Dubai. Napakagandang series niyan. Well, ano nga ba mga bagay na kailangan natin tutukan pagdating dyan sa laro niyan? Well, unang-una, I feel offensive rebounding. The team that controls the offensive rebound would definitely control the series. So the side of Quezon, paano mo i-cover ang Balti Baltasar, Brandon Ramirez, even Jemo Eglos? Anong gagawin nila? Pag nakuha nila ang offensive rebound, titira ba nila? Kikikout ba nila sa mga 3-point shooters nila? How do you cover those 3-point shooters? Well, ang maganda naman dito sa side ng Quezon is that nagkaroon sila ng magandang training doon sa side ng series nila with Batangas. The key to that series really was rebounds, and offensive rebounding played a key role in that series win para sa Quezon. Secondly, perimeter defense. Paano mo didepensahan yung mga post-ups, yung mga screen and roll ni Balti Baltasar, and I feel Quezon did a good job of doing that in the regular season, kaya naging close yung laban na yun. And then lastly is efficient shooting. The team that efficiently scores and shoots the ball well would definitely have the advantage in this series. And I say that because pag nagmintis ka dito sa bawat team na to, may pagkakataon na pag nakuha nila ang rebound, tatakbuhan ka nila, and it will either run into a fast break or another opportunity on the side of the opposing team. So those three things, I feel, three things rather, I feel would be key to this series. And napakagandang laban ito. Very little advantage to any of the team actually, except of course for having Balti Baltasar, but everything else is always going to be equal, and I feel this is going to be a close series.
Pampanga Giant Lanterns Division Finals ay bunga ng matinding pagsisikap at tiyaga, lalo na sa practice, at siyempre yung pagkakaisa bilang isang team. Yun ang lagi sinasabi ng aming mga coaching staff sa pamumuno ni Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Nakita naman ninyo, ang main man namin si Balti, laging pinapirapan sa defense yan. Pero nakita naman natin kung paano umandar ang aming teamwork. Walang naging selfish sa aming mga players. At isa pang dahilan ng aming dominance ay yung hindi nakikita ng ibang tao, yung off the court ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Sa suporta ng mga aming bosses, si Congressman Don Gonzales, ang aming coach, hindi lang yung coach, governor ng Pampanga yan. At kung tinuturing namin ama ng aming team, at siyempre ang aming team owner, si AG Gonzales, na walang tanggi sa mga pagsuporta sa mga players yan kahit ano yung pangangailangan nila.
As of now, overwhelmed pa po kami sa binigay na favor ni Lord sa amin. Umabot kami sa National Finals. Of course, Dubai yun. And then, kinoconsider namin yung blessing na binigay ni Lord sa amin as a team. And then, yun na nga, ang paghahanda ko is siguro dagdagan ko pa yung energy ko and maging vocal ako sa loob ng court. And then, yun na, kailangan namin ibigay yung best namin.
Keys to victory. Well, there's just no quit in the boys. The Huskers have this thinking that they play for a greater purpose. So I think that's the key to the mentality of the boys, na hindi sila nag-give up, no? Wala silang there's no quit in them, like I said. So they have this indomitable spirit that they will overcome anything, no? with God on their side.
Mga ka-MPBL, excited na po kami para sa laro namin sa Dubai against Quezon Huskers. Especially po sa mga kabalen po namin dyan. Sana po suportahan nyo po kami para madepensahan po ang ating corona. God bless.
Tulad sa mga nakaraang games, matinding ensayo at pag-aaral laban sa Quezon Huskers. Ang mga coaches namin pagka panalo pa lang ng Quezon Huskers sa kanilang division, pinag-aaralan na yan. Halos siguro kahit na nakahiga, ang laman ng isip nila ang strategy para sa Quezon Huskers. Alam naman natin kung gaano kalakas ang Quezon Huskers. Top seed sila sa South, tapos sila yung nag-champion sa kanilang division. At malalaki rin sila at mga bata ang mga players nila. So, inaasahan po namin na magiging maganda ang labanan. Walang may advantage dito. At anybody's ball game. Sana palarin kami.
Expectations against Pampanga, the good thing about it is that we don't have any expectations. Pampanga is a champion team for a reason, and they have a transcendental player in Balti, talagang game changer. Very, very decorated, and he is definitely of an international caliber. I think he doesn't even belong in this league, no? So wala kaming ganong player na katapat, no? And Pampanga has been playing very, very well, and they are the defending champions. Make no mistake about it. Our guys, well, if you notice our lineup, we have only 3 ex-pros. No? We have Gab Banal, Alvin Abundo, and Al Francis Tamsi. But most of the players are collegiate superstars, just coming off from college. No, not even superstars, but role players. So we have a very, very tough task at hand.
Sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa Pampanga Giant Lanterns sa buong bansa, lalong-lalo na yung mga kabalen, yung mga kapampangan, asahan ninyo na lalo pang magsusubikap ang Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Dahil yung nandito na tayo sa finals, sisikapin po namin makuha ito para rin sa inyo. Actually, malaking bagay kayo, kaya umabot tayo sa finals. Alam naman namin na katulad ngayon, ang laro wala dito sa atin, nasa malayo, pero alam naman namin na ang puso ninyo at nandoon at ang puso namin nandito at para sa inyo po ang larong ito. Sana wag kayong magsawang magdasal para sa ating team. Panedapit pong sasabihan, lalo na kareng close game, kareng masakit ang game, yung pangadida po rin Kapampangan, yung magpanyambot kikiyaktamang team. Anya sana po ituloy yan at bibalik kaya po king game 3 at sana happening back to back tamo ito. Dakal pong salamat.
My message to the Quezon Huskers fans all over the world is maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Para sa inyo pong lahat itong ginagawa namin, kayo po nagbibigay ng inspirasyon sa amin. Patuloy pong suportahan ninyo sana ang Quezon Huskers. Mabuhay ang Quezon!